How to copy on AutoCAD. Click on copy. The next step is to go to the objects they are going to copy. So I'm going to copy this very drawing that has borderline on it. I'll have to highlight the drawing. You can see the blue line that appeared. So after highlighting the drawing that I want to copy, the next is for me to left click, then right click to pick up the point that you're going to copy it from, then right click to paste the drawing where you want to paste it on. The next thing is, after doing that, you right click, then enter. That's all. That's how to copy. There's two methods on how to copy on AutoCAD. Either you copy and paste, or you just click on the copy icon directly. So this method is when you are working on a distance that is not far from your working area. Then when you are working from a distance that is far from your working area, you have to make use of the other method, which I'm going to explain later on. Now I'm going to properly explain how to copy. Now the step is for me to right click. The right click is for me to be able to highlight the area that I want to copy. So I'll go ahead and click on the right hand side of the mouse, then drag it to the area where I'm going to stop the copy from. The blue region that you're seeing is for the highlight. Then after, when I'm done right clicking, I'll go ahead and left click. I'll left click to be able to pick the points where I'm going to copy from. So after doing that, then I'll right click to pick the drawing. Then the next thing is to go ahead and drop it on where I want it to be. I'll move the mouse. You can see that line is telling me where I'm moving to. Then wherever I want it to be placed on, then I'll right click. Then after right clicking, next is to click on escape on the keyboard, which I did to remove the highlights from it. That's it. That's how it's done. This very method is done. There is also another method that I can use that I'll go ahead and explain that. So I'm going to delete the copied drawing, but the deleting and erasing aspect of it, that will be in another video. So I've already explained how to copy with this method. I'll go ahead and explain the other method. For this method, I'm going to go ahead and just highlight it by clicking on the right side of my mouse. There is no need for you to go to copy first. There's nothing like that. The first thing you have to do is just for you to highlight it by clicking on the right side of your mouse, then highlight it. After highlighting, then the next method will be for me to go ahead and left click. The reason for left click is for you to be able to get options on what to do next. After left clicking, then you go to copy with base points. Then after copying with base points, it will tell you to specify the point where you want to pick the specify the base point. So that's what is written below on the command. Then I'll go ahead and click on any of the points that I want to be my specific base point. So after clicking on it, you see these blue lines all over it. Then after doing that, the next step is to press escape on the keyboard so that those blue lines will go off from the drawing that you copied, whatever you copied. Then after doing that, the next thing is to go to where I want to paste it. So I'm just seeing kind of explaining what I've explained before. That has to do with this. So that's what I'm just still doing there. But after doing the copy with base point and escaping the drawing, next thing is to go to where you want to paste the drawing. You just go there and do the next. I will explain the next thing to do. So the next thing to do is for you to right click. Then you right click. Before you right click, you left click to give you the options, that's to paste. Then click on the paste option that you have given. Then after clicking on paste, then you right click on where you want the drawing to be pasted on. You right click on it, then you have the copy of the design on the new position where you want. With this copy, with the copy with base point method, it's possible for me to copy whatever drawing I want to copy, whatever I want to copy from one file, and go and paste it in another file. Open another AutoCAD file, then paste the drawing there. So it's possible to do it, but with the normal copy method, like you copy with the use of the copy tool, you cannot be able to do that. So with this copy with base point, which I've already done and gotten copied it from another page, from a particular page, then I want to, then I opened another page, which is this very page. Then I'm going to go ahead and paste that very drawing that I copied on this very page. So I'm going to go ahead and explain how to paste it. Same method in pasting on the same page, on the same AutoCAD page. The next step is to left click so as to bring out the option of you be able to paste the drawing. So I'll go ahead and click on the left side of my mouse, then to bring out options, then look for paste, then click on the paste option. You right click on the paste option, then after clicking on the paste, then you go to where you want to paste the drawing on. You can see the drawings is reflecting there, so wherever you want to paste it on, then you right click on it and paste. Comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and share with others as well. If this is your first time watching this video, go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. You can be able to copy and paste larger area. You can be able to copy and paste text. You can be able to copy and paste a lot of drawings at the same time, as long as you are able to highlight the drawings. So it depends on what you want to copy. That's what you copy and paste. The same thing with copying objects. The same thing is using the copy tool to copy. So you can copy a lot of drawings and